up, everybody? We are on our way to... Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Where are we on our way to? We are on our way to Pismo. We have a chauffeur because you don't want to be on the camera.
Why call her a chauffeur?
Because chauffeurs don't like to be on the camera.
Says who?
Me. Shut up. Anyway, we are on our way to Pismo. We was been supposed to go back in March for my birthday and Lulu's birthday. Lulu. Oh. Just your little glasses was.
Oh my god.
Just the side. You can see you.
At all.
It was an accident. Yeah, we were supposed to go for our birthday, but my mama was half dead in the hospital. She was gray, and that made me depressed, so we canceled our trip. So now we're going, because she's back healthy. But yeah, and it's a nice weekend, so we decided to go ride ATVs and chill on the beach and do some shrooms. JK. But yeah, that's where we're on our way to. We are in traffic. We're about 3 hours away. Our reservation's at 2 or 4. Which one? 2.
2 to 4.
2 to 4.
4.
So 4. You want to talk, Louie?
I'm blurry.
No, you ain't. My camera don't get blurry, boo.
I'm blurry.
Anyway, why am I here to the side? Where the money reside? Where the money reside?
You need something?
My chips with my carrot and dip.
She on a diet and she got carrots and dips, but she's referring to them as chips. Damn. Anyway, I don't know where this traffic came from. After pit break, fool. God, you about to kill us. I done lost my train of thought. Thought I was about to go to the upper room soon. I ain't got nothing to say. Anyway, I'll see y'all when we get to Pismo. She got a bag full of snacks back there.
Y'all wanna see?
Show them the snacks.
They bomb. So.
Like some chips.
Ain't no chips. I got real chips.
I been back here in heaven. Got the bait. I ate that already. I didn't really like the salami. It was giving meat, too meaty taste. Those.
That is good.
I done ate about half the bag. Malia then ate about half of those. I ate half of those. And these nasty Ritz cheese. Ghetto. Oh, and I had a Lunchable. So I had a lot.
Oops. I pressed something. It's still recording? Hey, y'all.
I think I pressed something.
Oh. Okay, I'll see y'all later when we get there. Say this battery. I didn't bring an extra battery. I got 2 batteries, so I should carry it, huh? Duh. Anyway, see y'all later. have made it to our destination. Oh, my phone, man. Watch the screen be cracked. I bet $5. Y'all, this phone done been through thick and thin with me. It didn't crack. Can y'all see? But that been cracked for years. It's only an XR. Wait, I need my backpack and my wallet.
Are we bringing everything now?
I don't know.
I'm gonna come back to the car and get my stuff after we check in.
But I need my wallet. Where you put my backpack? In the back? They scared to come outside. Why I gotta go first? I'm recording. Whatever. It's a line, y'all. It's a lot of people. This is where we are. DJ's rental. We're a little late. Talking to my camera. But I'll come back when everything is situated.
That's your copy. I don't need a thing. Next one is waiver of liability. You guys are taking responsibility for yourselves and the vehicles while you're in the Zoom, writing at your own risk today.
I'm sorry, what was the last thing?
Writing at your own risk.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, I'm not sure how much recording Malia has done. But we're here. Here. You want to see my shoes? My socks? And yeah, it gives me, I don't know what this vibe gives, but it don't give a it's like a for sure hole in the hole on the corner. No, look at the palm tree. Is that a palm tree? Oh no. Yeah. We on West Grand and North.
Screw the ground.
I'm lost. I can't read a map. I hope y'all paid attention because I didn't.
I heard the stop and where not to go.
Driving. I'm just doing circles.
How does it feel to be responsible?
I don't want to be responsible.
What are we supposed to do? Where are we supposed to stay away from?
From B? Something about B?
Use the bathroom or in the ocean.
She said stay away from something and then use entrance number 2. And when we drive to this location, she said she recommends street parking. no shoes on?
In the back.
You can't barefoot it?
I got slides on.
Oh,
I should
I knew that.
bring my glasses just in case my contacts fly out.
You that blind?
Yeah.
Dang. That's
But it shouldn't fly out.
Whoa. It is cold.
You want your bath? Thirsty? You gonna put your wallet in there? I'm mad I didn't bring you.
See some sand. Sand?
What's up, bro? You a child.
I drank a whole gallon.
You didn't drink no gallon. Quit lying. Quit lying to the people.
I'm going to sit back down outside. Oh, bingo. Bingo. Use the bathroom and they take it. I'll be back when I finish. I gotta pee.
So we walking on our way to the beach. Ashley left us because she a little pee-pee girl. And it's windy. I forgot to bring the little thing that go on the camera. And I went back in the house to get it, but left it in the car. This should be fun. It's a little windy. Breezy. It's not really cold. The sun is out. It's in the 80s. But it's still windy because we by the water. And my little hiking backpack. But I see y'all later when we get there to the actual destination.
Liz in the middle.
Well, we in our shuttle. We on our way to our destination. Nah, I guess I can still record. How's your day going?
Pretty good. It's getting a lot busier than our
Is it?
slow this morning.
Oh, we should have came morning time.
Number 49 on the contract here. So it's 49 contracts they've written today.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah. That gives it 241. Okay, you'll need this for your helmets once we get there.
Okay, thank you. Do you know if they provide goggles or no?
No.
Darn it.
Yeah. They should. They should sell them or something.
Yeah.
You would think so. I've only been with this, doing this for the guy for a little over a month now.
How you like it?
It's all right.
Can't complain, huh?
Something to do. Came out of retirement just to kill a little bit of time, get a little bit of extra money.
Oh, that's good.
Ain't the highest paying job in the world, that's for sure. But all you do is just back and forth, mile slow down, mile back.
Oh, okay.
You know, you can't beat the scenery, but the wind's been so damn bad the last month. Like this almost every day, which kind of puts a damper on things.
Drive your car with I guess so. I've never driven on the beach. Ever.
First time you've been up here?
Yes.
One thing that I've heard everybody not complain about, but scares the heck out of them, when you're going up the dunes, away from the beach, you know, you get up to the top of them, then it drops straight off because of the way the wind cuts the sand. So if you're going up to the dunes and you get to the top, just don't slow down and take a look what you're going to, because if you go over slow, you'll go down good. If you want to go up, get some power and jump the dunes, make sure you're facing the beach. That way they ain't cut straight off. You go to that white trailer there and you'll get your helmets and you'll get your rides out for you.
Thank you.
Be safe now.
Alrighty.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Oh my God, it's cold.
Hey, cold. In the 13s in the sand.
Almost fell.
Y'all don't know how I'm gonna record and ride.
Right.
He said you gon' go down a steep hill. Yeah. Look at all these clouds. It's not cold. It feels good. He just underneath the damn thing.
She's under the thing. She's flipped under the ATV.
Oh, it's good to record. Thank God seen a lot of deaths up here. Y'all, that lady done flipped over and the ATV was under her. That was crazy. The mud was fun. All the mud and the dirt. I never been in the sand. How can we prevent that?
How can we prevent falling?
Don't be stupid. Obviously, what he was doing was pretty stupid.
Right.
I need the biggest one. My head is big. I think it was.
Without my scarf. I need the biggest one. Oh, the sand. I'm out in my eye. These old cheap glasses. I should have got goggles. I would have cried. Ooh, black. Yes, thank you. So who do we go to? We just go over there?
Just head up there.
Alright, thanks. Can you hold this? Or can you get the scarf out of my backpack? It's all the way at the bottom. Like, yeah, that's getting y'all. to give a demonstration. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's windy. What heels? This our instructor. We had to go rescue somebody, so we had to wait. We gotta be back by 5, and it's like 2 something. Or no, 3. I'm lying. It's 3. We get 2 hours. But my thing is, he wasting our time. It's 3:05. He owe us 5 minutes, y'all. You can't see the time in my corner because I dropped my phone and that was like a black mark. Okay, y'all, he back.
is. And this is how far, you guys. I want to try yours too before
It ain't start.
back up. Y'all see what you got me doing? Come on. Malfunction, we'll be back.
Tipped over and rolled. I was telling them I had fell and did a roll. Doing donut.
I wish y'all could have seen it. I was scared.
That was fun. I did a cop roll when I fell. I got right back up like nothing happened. But yeah, she called. I ain't called. I feel good. She naked. But I said she thinks she tight, but we'll be back. What? So y'all, I would have been getting paid. I would have got paid.
It's supposed to be a test when you should stop.
Right, it should have warned her. Anyway, y'all, I done fell. What store? Where the liquor store? Across the street?
Down there. Across the street from where we park.
Oh, yeah. You don't want no food?
I do.
We've been eating snacks all day. We ain't even had no
we've been eating
food.
snacks for 2 days. I didn't eat dinner last night because you made me eat snacks. And you knew I was tired, so I wasn't going to want to go get nothing.
You can survive off snacks.
No, you can't. That is so.
You ain't dead.
That they pick up and put down.
Anyway, y'all, we walking back to the car.
Did you let them know you failed?
I sure did. I keep letting it be known that I failed doing the donut. It was fun though. I didn't hurt myself. I got all my teeth. I'm in school. Y'all look at my shoes. That's how you know I failed. It was fun though. We had fun. My hands hurt. It's dark. But yeah, my hands hurt from pushing the thing. You know, when you go out of the country, it's like this. Here, you push a lever with your thumb. But anyway, I enjoyed myself. Y'all enjoyed yourselves?
Yes, mother.
They dry. I need a new crowd. I need a new team. But why you gotta hold it this high? This looks so dumb. Maybe I need to adjust it. It was cold the whole time. I was at a perfect temperature, thank God. Cause what? What you was gonna say?
That motorcycle forgot my words.
That motorcycle forgot her words. My camera is filthy. Thank God it didn't break in my backpack when I fell. Well, I landed on my side, huh?
You didn't land. Oh yeah, well, once you got down, you hopped
I-
off the bike before the bike hit the ground.
That bike tried to take me out, y'all. But we on our way.
I
Bizat.
feel like a big germ.
She's a germophobic. I got so much sand in my shoe. It's still nice out. I said we drive to LA. Walk down Hollywood. Let's go to chicken. Let's go to Chicken and Waffle. See how far away we are from LA. Somebody, anybody.
You act like you gonna go.
I will.
Lulu ain't going to LA.
She ain't tired of us yet. Are you tired of us? I'm about to get the sand on my shoe. You better not fall. Look at all that sand.
Is it free parking right here?
Yeah, we parked there. We just got back.
This or no?
I don't know. It's even between my toes. How did it get in between my toes? I got a heck of sand here. Me too. I seen the people that had on their flip flops on the 4-wheel.
I know.
They slides.
Asian.
I'm recording.
I want some Asian food.
Almost some Thai.
Yeah. I don't know. But I like they noodles.
Maybe I should have sat down, huh?
I forgot. It's my Asian coworkers used to make me. It's like put something, some noodles and chicken. It is so good. I need to fix that.
Okay. Next foot, y'all. Look at my shoe. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. I'm hungry, y'all. What should we eat? We in Pismo. Recommend something, y'all. I'm hungry. Vegan fish. Vegan fish. I don't think I had vegan fish. You want to where are we? I don't know anything about this area. Y'all, this sand is very, what is the purpose of sand? Like, seriously. It's all between my toes. I hate stuff between my toes. Every time I take my sock off at the end of the day, I dig between my toes and get the sock crumbs out from between my toes.
We both just looking.
It's cotton. The cotton get between my toes. I hate that.
But how did sand get in your sock?
I don't know. It just did, okay? Y'all got some hand sanitizer?
I hope so.
Y'all gonna leave me alone. Y'all, they messing with me. I don't appreciate that. Ooh, it feels better. Okay, y'all. Handshake. Okay, cool. 'Cause I really do need it. That thing turned my hands black. Oh, I got the keys.
Off the bag.
Man, get the bag. She don't want me to touch her keys, so I was digging between my toes. Ain't nothing wrong with my toes. Tell them ain't nothing wrong with my toes. That you lick them every night. You got sand on your nose.
Just wait right there.
Shut up before I touch everything in the car.
Oh, my phone died.
Did it? Haha. My camera about to die. Haha. No, that's sad.
I'll start one for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one too? Sure.
Oh, it's still recording. Just pull it out. That's why you on camera.
Oh, don't put me on camera. I'm hiding from heck of people.
Who you hide from? I'm trying to set this down. Oh, that means I got this. Wait, give me two, because I got to disinfect the camera hand thing.
Oh, it's fan in between my teeth.
Hold on.
Ooh, my hand's gonna be sore in the morning.
I'm gonna use this for me.
Ooh, what he got?
That's the snack shack.
They sell firewood and everything.
Firewood.
Oh. Where we throw this at? It's garbage over here.
My litter in front of
Can you use this to wipe your face?
Read it.
I don't know. Chloride. What's that?
I don't know.
Like in the pool?
That's chlor. Oh, yeah. Never. Chlorine.
You can't use it on your face?
Don't you go underwater?
My face feels dirty.
I'm so tired of dangling this purse. Okay, I'm disinfecting my camera since they was calling me nasty and looking at me crazy. I was digging between my toes. I had sand between my toes. That was uncomfortable. Purr.
I'm about to take a whole bath.
Your face gonna break out. I ain't putting nothing on my face. Sorry, y'all. I probably seen some stuff you ain't supposed to see. But okay, I'm back, and I got my garbage. I don't want to litter. I know I'm working on my littering. What if I put it with the cigarettes? Better than littering. I'm gonna have a cigarette thing, but not a. No, that's not gonna work. I don't want to litter, people, but it's looking like I'm going to. You got that bag, our snack bag.
I'm not putting that.
You got it empty. You ate all your chips?
No.
You? No, almost.
On the side.
I'm about to throw it out.
Oh, you stole it?
This car pass.
Are you driving?
Yeah. All right, y'all.